My advice to Harrison Gwamnishu and Nigerians: if you know Harrison, that civilian, I mean, if I know Harrison, that civilian where they go rescue civilians from the house of kidnappers, tag her to this video. They say that I know is the last comment of a fool. If to say I know before, I for listen to Geh Geh advice. Now, whether you like it or not, what is bad is bad. The problem of Nigeria is emotions and sentiment. If you like do 99% good, if you do one bad, we go condemn you, we go criticize you, we go arrest you. Now so we fit move forward for this country. So because you don't do good before, if you do something but make we not talk about it and say you na bad something you do, na problem with that for Nigeria. But I don't forget the good way the guy do na. We say for here they rescue people, they rescue life, they go enter forest. We know that time when he do good, we not praise him, we praised him, we honored him, he was appreciated. Even though just send money that time, now you can't do bad. You say they not criticize and say because he don't do good before. Nigeria move forward with that mentality. I mean, I want to address this issue before, but as a prominent figure in this state, now Delta State is a Deltan. I'm a Deltan. As a prominent figure in this state, I need to address it. We're not really men will get money for this state. So if something happens to the masses, I should be able to address it. They sell ransom money for you. You come up 4.something million from inside. Now stealing me that. You stole. If you do good for this country, we go praise you. We go honor you. We go appreciate you. But if you do bad, if you do 99% good, you can't do only one bad for this country. I go condemn you. I go criticize you. I go arrest you. They don't aware. Now you are not good. Now you are not good. Only me 2 plates of rice, oh, and December never reach, oh. What is wrong is wrong. What is right is right. You don't do good before, we know. Now good man he be, but now you don't do bad. Make we go overlook the bad way you do because the good way you don't do before. No, make they condemn him. So that in case you still get plans to do more bad like that, you go know some of these people and they follow. Nigerians not really move the way they think. Oh, and to every other person, and you go see some as a lesson to any other person who be say what do activism. If you still get mind to do something bad before, you still go see some as a lesson to someone. So this guy still do that time. Oh, see the way they take hold am. So the country, they fit sanitize the country. Sure. Harrison, now good man you be. You are the only civilian in the history of Nigeria where they go rescue your fellow civilians from the hands of kidnappers. For country where army day, police day, navy day, air force day, witchcraft day, juju day, pastors day, native doctor day. But at the end of the day, now only this man take him upon himself to rescue people. You do 99% good, now good man you be. But you see that 1% what you not do for inside, you be bad man. I go condemn you. If you do 99% good for Nigeria, you be good man. But if you forget that 1%, I go condemn you, now bad man you be. We need to appreciate people more. Many of them when they do good for me, will be never they tell una thank you. I not forget to now. I know everybody when they show me love, I know all love for now. I say everyone never really good for my side. Bro, I did we get which day for year. This guy forget to do for me. I surprised. She leave her for me. She sleep, leave her. She got the time say, Geh Geh, anything you want. If you never do you, I won't sleep. If you do anything with the Toto, Jesus, bro, as they leave Toto for me, I calm down once. I calm down. Now so, when my nuclear weapon will be like dagger. I just calm down there. I begin hammer Toto. I hammer this guy. She dey shake. She dey bear am well. Now good be that. She dey bear am. Say Geh Geh, I forget the Toto for you. I won't sleep. Anything you want to do. I begin hammer am. They hammer am. Okay, now as you don't do this, this is good for me now. Time got rich. Bro, anybody will take pain for you to be joyful. Now good person be that. Now person will love you be that. Be happy. Let me be sad. You know what it mean? Be happy. Let me be sad. Be happy. Let me be sad. Now person will care about you be that. Now love be that. This guy sleep, leave the Toto for me. Say Geh Geh, not worry. She forget the Toto. She don't know what. She just leave her for me. 247. I don't talk about Toto well. I calm down about Toto. 247. They break. I not sleep. She dey vibrate. She dey enjoy pain. So I feel dey okay. She forget Toto for me. She leave her well. She sleep go. Leave the Toto for me. Only me and Toto. Toto they awake, and they awake, and they walk on the Toto. Now love be that.
Like and subscribe.